Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE S96 Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bar over here, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. After that, choose Receive on DOOGEE and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go only with this one file. Click Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and then choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on DOOGEE, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into Files, selecting in my case Images and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!